back to another tutorial on Little Mind Strong Values. So let's say that you need to discover which songs, which videos are pertaining to what values that we are trying to impart into the kids. So to do that, what we can do is go on here to the Teacher's Corner tab and click on Songs, Values and Tips. And that shall redirect you to this PDF document. As you can see, at a glance it is in English, but like before, if you want to access it in any other language, that is including Sinhala or Tamil, feel free to click these two links and view it according to your preference. But right now you can zoom in like this and we can go through it in English. So this is a comprehensive list of all the songs and the values that are embedded in the song and some additional teaching points that you can gather from the certain song that you would pick. For instance, let's take the song Puhulhura. So it says, first of all, we have the category school and ages. Which age group is it appropriate for? Is it for preschool kids? Is it for primary school or secondary schoolers? So Puhulhura is for preschoolers and primary schoolers. And then we move on to the language. In terms of the language, Puhulhura is done in both Sinhala and Tamil, but not in English. And if you look at the values of the song, Puhulhura is about don't steal, don't lie, live honorably and in dignity, say sorry, think before you leap. So those are the main values embedded in the song. But there can be additional teaching points to this song. Why is stealing wrong? Should you cheat if you don't know the answer? Should you lie to get away from getting caught? So these are things that you can bring up as you show these videos to the kids. Let's take a look at another song. If you look at Gaskola, so this particular song is appropriate for preschool, for primary schoolers and secondary schoolers, and it is only in Sinhala. The values that are taught in this song would be importance of trees, oxygen, rain, how to preserve the environment, and to dispose garbage responsibly. And apart from that, additional teaching points for this would be, why are trees important for us? How does it help us? Or should we cut trees or plant trees? So likewise, all these songs come with values. And for instance, if you're worried as to which song you should pick to teach which value, you can directly go to the Teacher's Corner and pick on values and tips of the songs on the LMSV website. Apart from the songs, tips and values, we have another way to find out the song values. That is, again in Teacher's Corner, we go to Song Values Guide. And that directs you to another PDF document. We can say it's more of a chart. As you can see, if you zoom in, we can both use the Sinhala or the Tamil language to view it according to your preference. We are going to go with English here. On to the side, we can see the song names. And we have the total of all the songs as Apil Balaganam, We'll Beat It, The Virus. So all the songs are there, and right here we have the value group. And again, up top we have whether it's in Sinhala, Tamil or English version. And here's a drop down of all the values that is broken down from the original value, and they are categorized and more elaborately expressed in the second grouping. So as you can see, for instance, let's take the song Paninata Pera. So song number 3, Paninata Pera, aligns with Sinhala version. So it's a Sinhala song, and we have a Tamil version of it as well, but there is no English version. And then when we look at the value group, we can say that it aligns with Be Kind to Others, which falls under kindness category. And also, it falls under Think of Others Ahead of You, Help Others, which also falls under the selflessness category. Also, let's look at another song. Some of these songs carry great value. For instance, we can say Yutukam Itukaramu. So, Yutukam Itukaramu is in Sinhala version and a Tamil version. And it has so many values. As you can see, all these green boxes indicate the amount of values that they have. So for instance, in this Yuthakam Vitukarava song, we have be honest, be truthful, do not lie, steal or cheat, which all falls under the integrity, and then we have the respect category all ticked out and social manners. So that song is very important and we can identify it directly through this chart. As you scroll down, we can also see how age appropriate it is. Is it for preschoolers, primary schoolers, or middle or senior schoolers? So this chart is a comprehensive way for you to identify which values the songs carry at a glance and very easily. Also, I would like to emphasize on the value grouping here. Value groups are broken into two and they have been elaborated. For instance, integrity is not just integrity, but a lot of other qualities like be honest, be truthful, do not lie falls under integrity. And self-improvement, be clean, be early to rise, do things on time, think before you leap, study well. And under preserve the environment, keep the environment clean, dispose garbage responsibly, plant and preserve trees. So as you can see, all these values are embedded in the LMSV songs. So at a glance, if you need to know which song goes with which value, this is a comprehensive guide for you. Let's say now you want to download one of these videos. Why? Because you don't want to watch it over and over again online, but you want to save it for later and watch it offline. What do? You go on the tab here, Downloads, and click on Song Lyrics and Backing Tracks. It shall direct you to this page where all the LMSV songs in Sinhala, Tamil, and English are already uploaded onto the site. So simply said, you can download it from here anytime you need. As you can see, as you scroll down, we have the Tamil media, we have the English media, and the Sinhala. So here, we have the song name, Puhul Hura. And also you can see some categories here. We have a compressed version of the video. If you need to download a compressed video, it is easy and very simple. You just have to click download video here. And you just need maybe you don't need the video, maybe you just want the audio. And here you have the MP3 music version of it. And then the backing track version of it. Also, if you're interested in the lyrics only, you have the lyrics section and a very high quality, high resolution video available for you if you need to download it. So let's say we go here and select a song. Puhul Hura for one instance. We're going to download the compressed video and we're going to click on it. It shall direct you to the video right here. And you can play it here if you like, but as we are going to download it, we're going to click on the icon right over here and it shall directly download it onto your computer. You can save it wherever you need to. As you can see, it's downloading here and it has already been downloaded to the computer, and you can go back, check your downloads or wherever you saved it to and see your video offline if needed to. Also, if you want to, you can do the same for the lyrics. Download lyrics. The lyrics will appear here. Again, the values are separately mentioned here and the age group is also mentioned here. So you click on the download item and it is already being downloaded to your computer directly. So it's simple as that. If you just want to download a video and watch it later offline, you go on the Downloads tab and choose the song of your liking and download it directly onto your computer. If you're a teacher and you're interested in Little Mind Strong Values, all you have to do is click this button over here that says Teacher's Corner. As we discussed before, we already went through Song Values Guide, Song Values and Tips, but for teachers, if you want to know more about the program, we have a message from the Minister of Education itself, which is Dr. Susil Premajayanthan, where he attended our Rotary Mundapurdu Champions 2023 early this January, and he left a remarkable message for us. We also have a message from the Additional Secretary. He shared some very important remarks, how he feels about Little Mind Strong Values as we originally started. So feel free to look at that video as well. Not just that, we have some Zoom presentations in both Sinhala and Tamil. If you want to dive deeper into getting to know about this program, please feel free to look at the Zoom presentations that we have created on the website as well. And if you're new to LMSV, Little Mind Strong Values, and you're interested about it, your tab is Good to Know. You can go to the Good to Know tab and you can see frequently asked questions here, how to watch and download videos. You have a one-page summary and you can get to know about the partners involved in the program. We have a newsletter library. Also, we have news and program impact potential, social media potential, Instagram feed. You can directly access our social media through these two links. And if we click on frequently asked questions, you will be directed to this PDF and you can get to know what this project is about, what type of values are taught in these songs, and whether the LMSV program is approved by the Education Ministry, and what languages are the songs in. So all the information that you would want to know, you can easily find here if you are new to LMSV. Also, as you can see, how can we access the song videos? Tutorials are given. Can videos be shared on WhatsApp and email? So these are some of the frequently asked questions. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can get to know more about the competitions as well. How to enter the competition, how to upload your videos into the competition. So all of that is also mentioned here. Questions specific to LMSV Saradharma Champion Competition. As you can see, the links are provided right here. So you can get to know all of that if you go through this document and scrub through for a minute or two, and you can get to know about LMSV real fast.